Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be opening up and unboxing my Lululemon bag that I ordered last week. I just have not found the time to do it, and if I don't do it, I have a head cold right now and just not feeling it. But if I wait for the perfect day when my hair is washed, makeup's done, everything's ready, this will just not happen. And I want to wear it and style it, but I wanted to open it with you guys and kind of see what it looks like, compare it to my fleecy Lululemon crossbody and see what the size is, and we'll just see kind of what fits in it, and then I'm going to get ready and I'll just show you what it looks like styled with my outerwear for work. So yeah, let's just open it up and see what we got going on here. Yeah, just filming, I keep saying it, probably sounds whatever, but finding time to film has been hard, and I just gotta do it whenever I gotta do it, even if I don't got makeup on. Alright, so let's see. So this is the mini belt bag, and I got it in a taupey color. It's actually prettier in person than online. It looks a little bit lighter online, and it's kind of it looks like a linen material. So I thought this would be nice for spring because my fleecy one just feels very winter cozy, and we're getting out of that now, and I just want spring vibes. The sun has been shining. It's been above average warm for us. So you just get into spring season earlier on. All right. So let's open this up. This was $38 Canadian. And because I bought it during their sale, not their sale, but they just had a promo that there was no shipping, which was cool. So here we have it. Yeah, it's got that nice kind of, not linen. This feels like Gore-Tex material. I don't know why I said linen, but it's a little bit more petite than the fleecy one. So the fleece one has kind of the two pockets inside. Let's open this up and see what it has inside. So we have one pocket. So I'm thinking I'm going to be able to fit my phone and my little wallet in here no problem, and that will be perfect for me. So yeah, this bag has space for your phone, keys, and all the adventures you can fit inside a day. Most of us wearing it are just moms trying to be cool. I'm trying to stay hip. So it has a black belt on the back, which is cool. I enjoy the Lululemon here in the same color. I like that the zipper is the same color. Sometimes when you're getting a zipper and detailing that's in the gold or in a silver, sometimes it's hard to style with certain things. Say if I'm wearing a jacket that has silver on it and then you got the gold, it kind of clashes a little bit sometimes. So I kind of enjoy the monochromatic look of that. All right, so I got a wallet, keys, and phone. Let's see if we can fit this into the mini belt bag. I'll take that off after. Okay. Wallet. Ooh la la, might be a little tight for everything. Phone. Keys. I'm gonna put the keys in the little side pocket. Actually, okay. It fits just perfectly. So that is what you can fit in there. There is actually a little pocket at the back here. You could slide, I don't know what you want to put in there that might slide out. So that is what is fitting in there right now. I wouldn't want to cram anything else in there, but it's easily accessible and kind of, I don't know, I like just having my wallet right here to pop in. Alright, let me just kind of slide it on for you guys. Nice matte black on the clasp, which is nice. The one thing I find on my the fleece belt bag, I don't know if you guys have the same issue, is like it always slides down to the furthest strap. Like it doesn't stay very good. Like if I try to tighten it, oh, that's cute. That's cute and petite. I'll definitely have to make it bigger for wearing over a jacket, but that's like, this is really cute for spring. No hands, love that. Yeah, I find that on my fleece one, if I try to tighten it, it just like loosens to the biggest, no matter what. So I don't know if it's the material, like just being a thicker belt, like it just slides easier. Hopefully this kind of material will stay a little bit better. And I don't think the belt on this will get as big anyways, but yeah, super cute. Just wear it on your back. I love the color. I love this super neutral taupe color. Sometimes I find too with this color, it's just a little warm for certain outfits as well. Like it kind of just goes with black or gray. If I wanted to wear a color jacket or a color sweater, like as it's getting to be springtime, probably won't wear a jacket as much. This will just be a better neutral. I'm glad that I got this color as well because I was wanting the cream in the fleecy bag, so this is like a good alternative to that as well. Matches my plant in the back, which is cool. Rihanna in the Super Bowl last night. Did you guys watch it? What did you think? What were your opinions? Like, I expected there to be a cameo because like that's what happens in the Super Bowl, but like she didn't need a cameo because she is Rihanna. Like, I liked that she didn't afterwards because how do you critique her? Like, she's just beyond. It was so good. I loved the set. Maybe a costume change would have been cool. That was like my only thing is like, but I loved it. I enjoyed every second of it. And the fact that she did it pregnant, like she is just, oh, she's the coolest. Love, love, loved it. And then last night I just started like downloading a bunch of songs that I had forgotten about that like she has a lot of songs. Like there's songs that I love that I was like, forgot that those were her songs. And just the fact that she didn't, I don't know, she just did some different songs that I didn't expect, but I loved it. All right, so I am just gonna get ready for work and then I will show you guys how I'm going to style the bag with my outerwear on, and yeah, stay tuned for that.